You guys, so I thought I was filming this video, but guess what? I was not. So I'm going to film it again. So, hello. Hey there guys, it's Misty here from TheJollyFatElf. Welcome back to another card making video. I honestly thought I had pushed play or record on my camera and I did not. Now, I am under the weather. It's one of the reasons why I probably forgot. And I am just going to speed through this because I am very sniffly and like my head is full and I just don't want to be sniffing through the whole thing. So I'm going to make this card. I'm basically going to color this piece of designer series paper. I'm not going to add a sentiment because this is another one of those cards that's great to have in your stash because this could be a sympathy card. This could be a birthday card, a wedding card, a baby shower card. It could be a wedding, a bachelorette card. It could be so many different things. So I believe that it's a good idea to build your stash with these kind of cards. So I'm gonna make this card again. Excuse me. This card base is basic black. It measures 4 by 5 1/4. I have pink pirouette that measures 4 1/8 by 5 3/8. Then I have a piece of designer series paper that measures 4 by 5 1/4, and then I'm using the Pool Party shimmer ribbon, and I'm coloring using Pool Party, pink pirouette, and my Old Olive blend. So spoiler alert, this is what it looks like, and I'm gonna make sure that I am recording this time. So thanks so much for joining me guys. Make sure you check out the links down below to get the recipe, and I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Why are you so cute? No. You're like, oh, Mama probably has 400 million things to get done, but let me go bother her. That'll be all right. It really is okay. People love you. I think they love you more than they love me. Come here, baby. Come here. Roxy, come here before you break something. Roxy, come here. Roxy, come here. Come here. You're gonna break something. Roxy. Girl. Come here before you break something and I have to denounce you. What's it called? Disown you. That's the word I'm looking for. You go and break something and Mama's got expensive stuff. Stop it. Okay, bye-bye. Oh, Rox, come on, baby. Seriously, I can barely breathe. Ooh. Okay, bye. That's it. I can't.